Like, share, and subscribe to help the channel grow. Thank you. Let's continue. A black-headed gull is a small common gull, Croicocephalus ridibundus, known for its sociable and noisy behavior, often found near freshwater, coastal areas, and even in towns. While its name suggests a blackhead, it actually has a chocolate-brown hood during the summer breeding season that turns white with dark spots in winter. It is an omnivorous scavenger that eats a wide variety of food, from insects and fish to human scraps. Appearance. Summer has a dark chocolate-brown head and neck, a pale gray back, white underside,